Des Moines School District is 4 days into its school year, and school leaders say things are noticeably more quiet at Hoover High School. Hoover is the first and only school in the district to go cell phone free. Outside of school lunchtime, students are required to keep their phones in their book bags. Principal Quinn Kelly says the change is having a big impact. Our Andy Fales caught up with her at tonight's game.
It has been fantastic. I just made a Facebook post the other day about it. I said it was such a different experience because I'm walking around the building and every single person is connected in the physical world to every other person in the building. And that has created a really cool atmosphere for us. So we've got kids that are talking and laughing in class. I mean, every single student is engaged, looking at their teacher, looking at their peers. I haven't seen engagement like this, and this is across multiple buildings in multiple districts in my entire 15-year career. So yeah, it has been outstanding to even just walk in the building and feel, like it feels like home. It feels like a family, and everyone is just learning a new relationship with their phone.
Okay, so touchdown dance now then, or do you need to give it a little more time?
I think we need to give it a little more time. It's only been a few days, and to give you some stats, so for example, the first day we took 31 phones, the second day was like 26, today it was 23, so it's becoming less and less and less. And so to us, that's a huge W. And the biggest stat of all is that after the second day, we were at a point where 96.56% of kids did not touch their phone. That is a huge success for us. So we are thrilled. We think that this is really going to help us, with our culture of the building. This is going to help us with our kids and academics. We're really looking forward to seeing where we're going to be at in a few months here.
The big reason for the cell phone ban at Hoover is to help teens with mental health issues that can come with cell phone and social media use.